I'm looking forward to a feelable earthquake. Not looking forward to it, but I know the way shit is. It's gonna be an earthquake pretty soon. Here it is. Another rumble. 4 now in 5 minutes. It is now 9:31 a.m. Here it is. Another one. 9:32 a.m. 1/8/2013. Another small shake. Motherfucker.
Get to work, and we're gonna go see what's in the back of this truck. You ready for that? Let's do it. It's not open.
Keep you updated. Thanks, YouTube.
Come on. Let's see if we can find some keys. Sorry, guys. Hold on, let's see. Hey, dude, you got the keys?
Are you ever gonna call me by my name? Yeah!